Good morning, children. Welcome to class 5 social studies. So previous class we have learned the ages of stones. Now chapter 2, the age of stones, we have learned. All of you understood? All of you read the lesson? Did you read the lesson? No doubt. What we have learned from this lesson? Stone age. The different ages of the stone age are the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Then after the Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age we have learned. Then Iron age. Okay, so everything is over. First two chapters are over. Our first term syllabus is over. Then some question answers and exercises are left. Okay, related pictures also you have to draw in your copy. All the ages, some 2-3 related pictures. Then question number 1, 2 and 3 I have given. 4 also given. The previous class now. Highlight the main features of the Paleolithic period. Which are the main features of the Paleolithic period? The main features of the, did you learn the question answer? The main features of the Paleolithic period are, it is known as the Old Stone Age. In this period there was development of the most primitive stone tools. Then they gathered plants, fruits, seeds and hunted wild animals. They made hand axes, scrapers, wooden spears which were used for hunting and gathering. They lived in caves, huts and skin tents. Okay. Then second question is, what is second question answer? What are microliths? When were they developed? When were they developed? What are microliths? Microliths are very smaller, sharper and better tools than that of the Paleolithic period. Okay. And when they were made, they were developed in the Mesolithic period. Okay. Then third question is, how did agriculture evolve? How did agriculture started, or how did agriculture emerged? Okay, that also we have learned. It's quite possible that when hunting, women gathered plants and fruits from the forest. They were the one who noticed that seeds fallen on the ground grew into plants. This led to the idea of farming, which was a turning point in the early man's life. Okay. Then yesterday we learned, write about the following in the Chalcolithic period: pottery and trade. So pottery, what was pottery? Chalcolithic period. The people of the Chalcolithic period used painted earthenware. Earthenware means pottery works. Okay. Pottery, earthenware. The pottery was painted. Some of the famous pottery items were dishes on stand, stemmed cups, spouted vases, big storage jars. Okay. Next is trade. What about the trade of the Chalcolithic period? The Chalcolithic communities traded through barter system. What is meant by barter system? Exchange of goods for goods instead of money. So the Chalcolithic communities traded through barter system. Wheeled bullock carts were used for a long distance trade besides the river transport. That is about trade. Then today we will learn, how did invention of iron change early man's life? How did invention of iron change early man's life? The answer is in page number 23, 22 and 23. Okay. So it is, you have to not directly given, here and there the answers are there. Okay. Then you have to, first I will say you have to mark it in copy. Using iron for making weapons put arms in the hands of common people. This led to the improvements in the field of agriculture and trade. They grew more crops. Introduction of iron coins improved trade. More sentences you can write. Okay. Using iron for making, page number 22. Using iron for, last sentence. Using iron for making weapons put arms in the hands of the common people. That means common people also started making use of this iron weapons. Then this leads to the introduction of more agricultural tools and implements. This led to the improvements in the field of agriculture and trade. Then they grew more crops. Then introduction of iron coins improved the trade. Okay, this is the answer of the fifth question. How did invention of iron change early man's life? Using iron for making weapons put arms in the hands of the common people. Then next sentence, this led to improvements in the field of agriculture and trade. Then next question, they grew more crops. Introduction of coins improved trade. Okay, this is the answer of the fifth question. The next question is question number 6. Describe the houses in the fort. We have only one type of house is given there. Describe the houses in the Chalcolithic. Okay, in the forts. Chalcolithic period's house is given there. So you have to write the house of the Chalcolithic period. So what about their house? Page number 22. The answer is in page number 22. First, on the top, they constructed houses with stones, mud and bricks. The houses were rectangular and circular with roofs made up of straw, bamboo and wood. Floors were made up of clay. Okay, till there you have to write. Okay, once again I will read. The houses were made with stones, mud and bricks. These houses were rectangular and circular with roofs made up of straw, bamboo and wood. Floors were made of clay. Okay. These are the two question answer. Understood? So write this two question answer in copy. Clear? Bye.